Happy Mother's Day!
Hello, Miss Vivian.
Miss Vivian, you wanna try the sticky rice?
Sticker rice. Give her.
Just try another version. Oh, really? Okay. Yes, it's another version of sticky rice.
It's Mother's Day today. Dali. Yan, Mother's Day karon oy. Yan, Mother's Day ngayon guys.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Imagine,
Oh, you're beautiful, huh?
Happy Mother's Day. Oh. Mayroon na tayo, no? Happy Mother's Day.